So the steering wheel, y'all, still not on. Don't know why. Nothing, bro. Like, I even turned on all the lights, right? Everything is turned on. My headlights on. Everything, y'all. So what it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C1. We back at it, bro. Another fire video. So look, as of right now, y'all, I'm currently at the dealership, bro. Y'all see the Jeep and all that stuff behind me, man. I got some little snacks behind me, all right? So we're at the dealership, man. We trying to see what the hell wrong with our airbag, all right? The SRT on the airbag, y'all, does not light up no more. It's supposed to light up like a illuminate red. It's supposed to be like a red SRT, all right? I noticed this, y'all, a couple days ago. I thought I was tripping. I thought maybe, you know, I don't know, I tried to put the lights on differently, but it's not working, y'all. All right, I'm under like a little overhead covering, so I'm gonna try to show y'all right now what I'm working with. But yeah, man, like, this car is not supposed to be like this. I only had this car, y'all, for what, since March 13th. All right, it's April 27th right now, and the car should not have no issues. It's brand new. I only have 1,600 miles on it, so it should be working flawlessly right now. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna turn the camera around, show y'all what I'm talking about, and we're gonna get to it, man. Like, this car, sheesh, Dodge is messing up dead ass, bro. But let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM, so like I said, bro, the airbag is not lighting up red no more, bro. I know Dodge is known for having electrical issues, right? Electrical problems and blah blah blah. Yo, I fully understand that, but a car with only 1,600 miles, right, should not have no kind of problems. This car is still brand new in my eyes, you know. Shit, I hope in your eyes too. All right, so the car is still brand new, bro. That's what's getting me right now. That's what's, I don't know, triggering me, dog. Like, so I don't anticipate this being like a hard fix, y'all. Like, I was trying to adjust the lighting, like, you know what I'm saying, trying to adjust it and see, right? Because like I said, we under like it's like a dark covering, you know. It's kind of dark in the car. I'm not saying the light should be on right now, but yeah, I was trying to see if maybe it was me. Maybe if I was tripping, I adjusted these little knobs right here, right, to see if it's gonna turn on and off and blah blah blah, y'all. Like I said, look, I'm a new Hellcat owner, y'all. I don't know everything that I should know about this car, but what I do know, whenever I picked it up from the dealership, that thing was lighting up good red. So I talked to the sales guy, man. He basically said it might be like an electrical wiring that's on the inside of this. So we gonna see, bro. We gonna see. I'm not leaving here unless they show me, look, that bit fixed. You know, it should be free, under warranty, all that, right? 5 years, something warranty. So I'm not really paying on anything or nothing like that. So yeah, let's get to it, man. I'm gonna let y'all know what's happening, bro. For real, for real. Yeah, y'all. So like I said, I'm at the dealership, man. We just waiting, bro. Look how beautiful this thing look. Hope it ain't no copyright in the video, but yeah, y'all see it, man. Parts and service customer lounge, bro. I might go in there. But yeah, I might look at some cars too while I'm at it, to be completely honest with y'all, man. But yeah, y'all, like I said, beautiful Hawaii day, man. No gray clouds, baby. It's always a good day. You don't get no gray clouds in Hawaii, you hear me? But man, look at the tail light tints. This thing look good now, boy. Shee, yes, sir. Shout out to your boy C Will, man. Go subscribe to the channel, y'all. Look, I will be shipping a car, y'all, May 4th. All right, May 4th is gonna be my last day with the car, so I might have to spread the videos out more, man. Try to get as much content as I can to last me through those 3 weeks that I'm not gonna have the car. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be a little delay, maybe, you know, depending on how much videos I can get, how much content I can get. But yeah, y'all, we just waiting on a service man right now to come work on the car, see what's going on and all that, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated because I'm kind of curious too, man, for sure. Damn, finally got the car back, or it looked like it's about to be back, y'all, after goddamn trials and tribulations, man. I had to show the dude the picture that my steering wheel did light up red, because I guess he came back and forth. He was like, yeah, you know, nothing's working, nothing's wrong, blah 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 blah. And then I showed him the picture, and then he was like, okay, let me go show my you know, tech or whatever. So showed the tech, came back, man. So we gonna see what happens. All right, so we got good news or we got bad news?
I'm trying to get it figured out. He's telling the engineering now about it, so.
Ah, man.
At least I showed him the photo. At least
right. CEEFAM, so in conclusion, man, the guy basically told me, like, he couldn't find out what was wrong with the steering wheel or what was wrong with the actual airbag itself, okay? He made me sign some piece of paper. He said, like, you know, he was gonna let his manager know, blah, blah, blah. I wanted a whole nother goddamn airbag, y'all. And like, I don't know, well, obviously it only comes on whenever it's nighttime, or at least that's what I think. All right, so comment down below, does it only come on whenever it's nighttime? I know the car, it has like this thing where it automatically comes on at a certain time, specifically when it's nighttime. All right, and it's daytime, man. Like y'all see, look at how beautiful Hawaii is. All right, so look, it is daytime, bro. So they were in their own little garage working on it, and it was dark in there. All right, y'all. So I've tried everything, man. I don't know. Like I said, I know Dodge usually have like electrical issues, electrical problems. So I'm not really too familiar or too fond on what the real issue is. I thought it was like a little wire that was on the inside that controls the lighting on the steering wheel. All right, so comment down below, y'all. What do y'all think it is, man? That's what I think. So I'm gonna wait until nighttime, bro. I'm gonna show y'all, see if it actually comes on. If it don't come on, then yeah, we got a problem, man. So man, it's always something, bro. Got my car March 13th, y'all. March 13th. Guess what? Boom. Stuff is not working, bro. So I'm gonna put up a picture, bro, just to show y'all, man. Like it was working, dog. It was. Now I don't know what's wrong, man. But all right, CEEFAM. So it is dark right now, as y'all can see, man. Just want to give y'all an update on the steering wheel. Whoa, give y'all an update on the steering wheel, man. I'm not gonna start the car because it is, I guess, what, a little late, 9:51. People gotta work tomorrow, man. They got kids live next door to me and stuff, man. This thing's stupid loud. All right, but you know, the steering wheel should come on, y'all, at night, right? If I'm not mistaken. Just want to give y'all a little update, man. So I'm not gonna turn the car on, like I said. I'm gonna just put it on accelerate, and then I'm gonna just let it run, man. You know, just let it run. See? So the steering wheel, y'all, still not on. Don't know why. Nothing, bro. Like, I even turned on all the lights, right? Everything is turned on. My headlights on. Everything, y'all. So just comment down below, man. Is this like some kind of issue? Like, I don't know. I get it's an issue, y'all, but my airbag light is not on or nothing like that. Let me turn my car off, I guess. So the airbag light, y'all, is not on or nothing like that. So it's not the worst, but I don't know, y'all. I paid all this money, bro. I just want to get my options, I guess. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but at the same time, y'all, it is something, man, you know. So yeah, dealership definitely need to get that fixed, bro, or something. Get me a new airbag or something, man. So just wanted to give y'all an update. No, it's not working still, even at night whenever it's supposed to automatically come on. So yeah, man. Hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate y'all for stopping in with the boy. Got some videos planned, videos to show y'all, man. So I'll holler at y'all later, CEEFAM. Yes, sir.